Gospel star Dr. Tumi gets mugged in broad daylight. Tweeps are worried about gospel musician Dr. Tumi after seeing a video of a person that looks like him getting mugged. The video that's trending on Twitter shows a mugging that was caught by Breaking News. According to People, the mugging happened on Tuesday, 23 February. The picture shows the man, which People claim to be the award-winning singer, standing and talking on the phone. Two guys pass next to him, and one goes to grab the phone that he's holding onto his ear and runs. The thug then runs towards a car that's waiting for him, and they drive off. According to Tweeps, who posted the video, the mugging happened in Midrand. People on Twitter have been sharing the video and are worried about the gospel star. Most have been tagging him and asking if he's okay.